In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress on your Go High Level account. So when you are in your sub account or your account, then you need to go down to Sites. Then you will navigate at the top bar to WordPress and click on that. From there, you will either have this ready to go if it's been paid for you, or you can click on Activate WordPress, fill in your card details, and get rolling. I'll just pause while I enter my secret information. We have now set up payment, and this screen should now appear with a big blue button saying Create WordPress site. Let's click on that. Website name, Hormozy blog. This is a private project I have going. Then we set a password. Let's just hide this. And let's create the WordPress site. So clicking on here, let's see WordPress. Just going through the field so we don't do something stupid. Let's do Hormozy blog. Let's do Panthers. That's fine. And create the blog. Now we have our WordPress site. We should be able to click here on the first one, and you can see that we now have a WordPress site up and running. Awesome. But right now this is hosted under this URL, and we would like to add our own. So the first thing we'll do is add domain or subdomain. So let's add a domain. I have one here, hormozy.blog. Add that domain, and there we go. It does take a while to generate this, but now we can add an A record inside our DNS provider. From one of the last videos, you should be familiar with your DNS provider. I use Cloudflare. So let's go ahead and point the this is the root domain, to this. Let's just copy the value, go over, and you can see this here. This is the root domain. When you enter in the name, it will turn out like this. So we need to change this one. So we'll do edit, replace, proxy off, and save. Now this should be set up. I have added the above records, verify records, detecting domain. Domain detected. Awesome. So now we have this one. We should be able to go here. And I just remembered that I might actually be wrong about the proxy. I actually think we need to turn the proxy on for this one. It is the CNAME. This one is okay to be proxied because this is internal, but if you add a CNAME record pointing to somewhere else, it should be proxied. So this should be okay with the proxy. Let's see if this is up and running. Should be. There we go. Up and running. We now have hormozy.blog, and let's see what we put on this side. But now we can go to this here, WordPress admin access. We can type in our passwords, and we should be able to log in. And what do you know? We now have a WordPress site up and running. Let me just give you a quick explanation of the interface inside Go High Level, because you can actually do some very nice things in here. First of all, you have analytics. This is not, it's okay. You can see your CDN usage. This is Google Cloud CDN, by the way. So you can see site report, visitor report. What is more important actually is these next ones, because the user from here, you will be able to add users directly into your WordPress site. So you don't need to log in to WordPress to add a new user. You can add a user directly from this interface. That is very nice. You can also delete plugins directly from here. For example, I never use Hello Dolly, so I just delete that, and it deletes the plugin from this interface. Also this one, I never use that. So let's get rid of all the non-used plugins. For themes, you can manage your themes in here. I also don't have I usually delete all themes except one of the standard. So I will keep 2024 and I will install Cadence Pro on this WordPress site. By the way, if you have ever decide to host a WordPress site under my Go High Level account and want this system, I'll give you Cadence Pro theme for free. You can just write to me. Since you're under my account, I can just go in, install everything for you. So just a little tip if you want to get free stuff. Then we have backups. This takes a backup every day and stores for 3 days. This is really nice to have built in, so you can always, if you see something break, you always have 3 days of backup, so you can restore this. Then the advanced settings, unless you know what you're doing, you shouldn't be playing with this. FTP access, nice for people who upload a lot of stuff. Cache management, this is the CDN and cache provided by Google. So you can refresh or dump the cache from here. WordPress debugging. Yeah, if something is wrong, you can enable this. Database management. Don't play around with this. This will break your site if you don't know what you're doing. And then the final one is delete site, which is self-explanatory. So now we got a WordPress site. Awesome. Now I have more work to do in order to set this site up and get all the content up and running. So thanks for watching. You can join our free community and get a lot of these videos and a lot of free scripts. So see you in the next video. Bye.